Hey everybody, welcome back to our family pantry. And today I'm going to start with our holiday series and we'll be making our Jamaican smoke jerk turkey. It's hard to really get together and gather as a family, but I'll show you how to do the jerk turkey with the turkey breast. And so why don't you come a little closer and I'll show you how to make it. Turkey breasts are going to be half the price of a whole turkey. And so today we'll be working with a 4-pound bone-in turkey breast. Right here I have a gallon of water, a juice of a lemon, onion powder, bay leaf, garlic powder, a zest of a lemon, pimento seeds, brown sugar, salt, and also our turkey breast. We'll begin by pouring the salt in to the water. Then we'll go ahead and just add the rest of our dry ingredients into the water. Now, what I like about the brine for turkey is that it just really seals in the juices and brings in a lot of flavor for the turkey. Now, the most important part of this process is to making sure that the sugar and the salt is dissolved. And so we're gonna bring it over to the stove and just put it under the heat and just warm it up. We don't want it to bring it to a boil. We're just warming it up, just making sure that it's dissolving. And now, right here, we're just gonna pour it into the bowl and we're gonna need to cool it off. And so let me grab a cup of ice. And it's a couple cups of ice, and it's gonna bring it to cool down the brine, and we're just gonna cool it down and stir it in right here. Now we're gonna add the turkey breast in. We want to put it down breast side down so everything is submerged into the brine, and everything is just the turkey breast and all the turkey is just gonna absorb the brine right here. And so we're gonna go ahead and cover it up and just let it sit for 24 hours, let it rest in that brine, and we'll get back to you in the next day, tomorrow. Okay, welcome back. The turkey has been sitting overnight in its brine. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take it out of the brine and pat it dry. Okay, what I've done is I've lined my cooking sheet with a paper towel so that the juices can just kind of seep in and dry that way. And I have a couple of paper towels just to pat it dry, because when we apply the jerk marinade, we want it to be able to really stick to it. Okay, now you want to flip it. Make sure you pat dried on the bottom as well. And make sure you get in that cavity. As you do so. It's very simple. Now we're gonna discard the paper towels in the trash bin. Place the turkey breast side up. I'm gonna remove the gloves. And put on some new gloves. I'm just gonna apply, just give a nice rub in. It's like you're putting on lotion. This is gonna just give it a nice browning for the turkey. as it cooks. You just lift that skin up too. Just get it in there. Flip it over. I'm telling you, this is gonna be so flavorful and you're gonna enjoy it when you try this. All right, now I'm gonna add some seasoning, some poultry seasoning. Add some jerk seasoning. And if you want my homemade jerk seasoning, I have the link in the card above, and you can just click on that or in the description box below. Okay, let's flip it over. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Flip it to the other side. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it sit there and marinate and rest for about an hour. And after that, we'll go ahead and put this bird right into the smoker. So we'll see you back then. This is my electric master belt smoker. It's a nice, easy way to smoke. It's not big, but you know, it's good for the home, for what the things that we smoke. Right now, my smoker has been preheating to 250. I will now open it up and place the turkey on the center rack. Okay. Just put it directly right there and close her up. And just like that, it'll be cooking away. What you want to do is you want to feed it for about every 30 to 40 minutes with the wood chips, and I'll just come a little closer to show you what they look like. And that's what's going to give it that nice flavor along with the jerk seasoning. The way you feed it, so you just get a handful, stick it in the tray. Just put it in, twist. See, most of those wood chips are out. And that's what's gonna give it its flavor. It's now in, lock and loaded. We like the hickory flavor when it comes to the wood chips. But you can pick cherry or mesquite, apple, you know, whatever you like. But we enjoy using hickory. So we'll see you soon. All right, it's been about an hour. I've already fed the wood chips once. I'm gonna take a look at it. Look how it's looking. It smells delicious right now. I'm gonna go ahead and from the little juices, just baste the turkey with it. Let's put that back on it. I wish you guys can just smell the aroma that's coming through. The coloring on this is turning beautiful right now. Put that tray back on there. The manual thermometer that the turkey came with hasn't popped up yet, but my electrical thermometer is showing that it's 167. We want the turkey breast to be at 165. So this turkey is done. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out and bring it inside, let it rest a little bit, and we'll see you pretty soon. This is beautiful. Did you see that juice? Typically we know for the turkey breast to be really dry when it's cooked, but by brining it, it comes out flavorful and moist, and it's delicious. And so I promise you, you won't regret it if you do a wet brine for your turkey breast. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you do try this recipe, brining it and making your smoked jerk turkey. Thank you again for watching our family pantry. So like it, subscribe it, take care, happy holidays.